Hello, my name is Maju. I'm a programmer, basically a Python programmer. Okay, I'm also a Java programmer as well. Alright, so on this section, I'm going to show you some of the things, some of the applications, some of the programs that I've written. Actually, this is on Selenium, basically on web scraping automation. Okay, web scraping and automation. Okay, so on this program, I was able to write a program that automates a strategy on Bet Nigeria website, a betting site. Yes. Okay, so I've been working on so many programs that has to do with automation. Okay, I've been working automating so many websites, actually basically for testing purposes. All right, so now on this program I worked on different strategy based on different features on the Bet Nigeria site. All right, you can see here we have on Bet 49, this one bet under PC Master, under this one bet under high low. Okay, this one bet under no winning color. Okay, and this one, so all of them. So I have different I have like over 20 or even 30 different strategy waiting here. Okay, and of which all of them, they are all tested. Okay, so on this particular class now, I'll not start putting you through on how to write this. I just want to show you that it's possible for you to write a Selenium application or program that can automate any betting site if you know a strategy that is working for you. Now, if you want me to do this kind of program for you, kindly hit me or hit the comment section. I will reply you. If we need to exchange contacts, fine, you can do that. All right, so I'll put you through. And if you want to learn a program like this, if you want to study, if you want to undergo my training, one-on-one training on how to do something like this, you should also hit on the comment section. All right, or you can always reach me through the email address I will share here. Okay, so we can see how we go about it. All right, so there is no much deal here. Okay, Python is a flexible programming language, so there is nothing tough about it. It's very easy to learn. All right, so just within a couple of days or weeks of your training, you should start building things like this. Okay, so I actually designed this program in order to make some money while you are sleeping. So all you need to do, it works on automation. All you need to do is just to enter the keywords, how much you want to enter with the account, and how much you want to come out, how much profit, the least profit you want to come out with. Okay, so I'm going to run this program alongside with this video so that you watch what I'm saying. You can see this one, about demo. So this is just a demo account. I ran it and look at the profit that it's giving me. Okay, so I'm going to close this one and run it again so that you see what I'm trying to say. So if you want to do something like this, kindly hit me up. So we can work together, right? Or you have a strategy you want to build, something related to this. Okay, even for other betting sites, you have a strategy that works for you. Okay, or if you have something that is automated, okay, so I will need you to do this thing. So comment. Okay, so I will contact you as soon as possible and have you work with me so that we'll implement your program. Okay, so as you can see, I have so many programs like this. I built them from the scratch. I can always I'll be happy to work with you to build a similar thing. Right, so let me try running with this particular program. So all I need to do is just to come to this command section and log in. Okay, I'm actually looking at starting up a class, posting from the scratch on how you can set up your. This is working on the VS Code. Okay, on a VS Code, so you can always have it Visual Studio Code. So you can just have something like this, install it and configure it and start on your Python application. All right, so okay, so I'm going to cut this. Okay, let me start afresh. All right, so let me just start afresh. All right, so this, so I'll just log in. All right, so as I promised, I'm going to start a basic training for beginners that want to start coding on Python. Okay, how to set up, how to download and set up your IDE and connect and configure your environmentals and start coding on Python. Okay, I will teach you all the processes and how to start all this, and we move to the advanced. So I will try to make it easier for anyone to understand, even if you're not a programmer. Okay, now you can see that it has launched the program. Okay, now from here, from your command handler, your mainboard, you'll see something like this. So it's asking me to enter stop loss. Okay, so I will enter like I just want to make, can you give me 30,000? So let's see if it can give me like 30,000 there. Now enter starting amount. I want you to enter like 1,200. Okay, enter like 1,200. So let's see what will happen here. So I'm not actually trying to show you the details of what will happen. Okay, so it's trying to like study the statistics, and then do some calculation for me. All right, from the background before it enter into the, if it sees the game, if it sees the entry point, then it's going to enter. So while it's actually calculating and studying what to do, this place is actually doing the background studies for you, checking your balance. Okay, you can see your balance is 100,000 not for now. Your account is in order. So it's searching. So it's ready to enter market. You hear a noise, it will beep a noise for it to enter market. So it will start playing. All right, so it will just master the codes to play, and that is it. It will start playing, and when it start playing, this place is also taking the record, and here you come. So let's see what will happen here and what it's gonna do. Okay, so then let's see if it will win the game. Okay, so you can see it enters with 100 naira. So let's see what is actually going to happen here. Okay, so I think it's winning. So winning. So let's now the amount I actually choose is now entering. I think when I was working together, I actually put I think 1,000 something, so it added the 1,000 something, making it like 2,400. 2 times 6, 2,400 plus 100 naira. So that's how I coded it. So it doubles and adds and then enters for the next game. So let's see. As you can see, it's written here that the Google is the one controlling the business. So I'm not here. My hand is off the deck, and you can see it. I've gotten my money. Wow. So now I have how much here? I have 126,000 naira. While my account, I want it to stop. I just want it to win up to like I want it to have up to like 30k plus. I want to make up to 30,000 naira plus. Okay, so if you want an application like this, or if you have your own strategy that is working for you, how you can make residual income, okay, you can always contact me so that I will help you build a program like this. Okay, build a program like this, so you start making. Make sure you have to be sure that your strategy is working. Okay, you have to be sure that your strategy is working for you too. Okay, as you can see, I've made my money. Okay, I've actually made my money, and it will take me out of the account immediately because I have made the money I promised to make. So you can see I have a total of 140k here. So my profit is 40,500. So it has closed the okay, you can see it. I have made the money and the amount is complete. Okay, you can see it is complete. So it has given me the particular amount I need. Alright, it has given me the particular amount and it has closed the market because I've gotten the actual profit I needed for this program to close. So you can see your winning profit is 40,500. Your account balance is 140,000. Congrats, your profit has closed the market. So this is a bot. This is how Selenium bot works. So it helps you. You can control a site. You can automate any site you want to automate. Okay. So if you have any related programming projects, that you want to write, you can always reach me. You can always get in touch with me. Okay. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly use the button down to subscribe, because I'll be posting videos like this. I will start up a class, okay, to put you through on how you can start writing your programs on Python, how you can download your IDE, set up your environmentals, and start writing your program, your Python programs. I'll make the class very easy for anyone, even someone that doesn't have any programming experience can actually learn from it and start coding. So just as I said earlier, it's easy for you to start learning especially Python programming. It's not as difficult as you think. So it's very easy, just a simple line of code, your program is already running. So I will start from the scratch to train you on what to do and how to write your program. Okay, so and then we'll move into writing a Selenium automated program. Then I'll also put you through on how to use your Python program to write an Android applications. Okay, any kind of smartphone application. Okay, and execute and register them to your Google Ads or Google Play Store, so that anyone can download and start using them. Alright, so once again, I appreciate you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate you. I appreciate you for being part of my team. I appreciate you for being a friend. Thank you so much. And if you have any question related to this, in regard to this, kindly comment section. Okay, if you want to get in touch with me, I'll drop my email close to this thing. So if you really need it, but actually you not use the passes just to present this thing. So remember that this thing is a betting site, it's a bet, so you don't, it's a risk. It's very, I just have to be honest to you, it's a risk thing. Okay, so you just have to, I'm not a kind of financial advisor or anything, so you just have to do all your calculations and find it well before you get into things like this. Okay, you can only try that with your statement. That is what I always tell my clients, okay, or friends and prospects. That is what I always tell them. Okay, once in a while